Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Alamance County, Randolph County, southeastern Guilford County, western Chatham County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greensboro to Randleman to 6 miles northeast of Avon Lake, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Siler City, Seagrove, Pleasant Garden, Liberty, Ramseur, Franklinville, and Staley. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for central North Carolina. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Guilford, and Randolph.